Good evening, everyone. This is Simon Snipes, a member of the Roy Club community and a participating member of the Roy Bounty program. So, guys, today is the 9th of April 2020, and I will be bringing to you guys a video today courtesy of the Roy Club. Okay, so, guys, today, generally, what I'll be talking about is for how you can monitor your Roy Club account. Okay, so this is going to be for people who who have used the Sigen.pro exchange site for creating their Roy Club accounts. Okay, so we are going to be seeing how we can access our Sigen account and what wallet address we use in order to access our Roy Club accounts. Okay, so now for all our friends out there, seems my internet is not working. Okay, it's back. Okay, so let's refresh this. So when we click on this, let's just refresh our pages here so that we know we have an active connection. Okay, so I'm already logged into my Sigen account. Okay, so let's just let Roy Club load in. All right, so cool. So definitely, if you when you're on the Roy Club website and when you click on registration, so usually what happens is you get to select either you create a wallet on Sigen or you create a wallet on Roy.club. Okay, so my this video that I'm showing is going to show us for those people who use the Sigen.pro wallets to actually open up their Roy Club accounts. This is a video that is going to help you guys. Okay, so let's go back to Sigen. So when we go to Sigen, now there's this little icon called so it looks like a wallet. So whenever we click it, it gives us a drop down and it shows us our wallet. Okay, so this is our Prism wallet. This is BTC, which is Bitcoin wallet. So all I'm going to do, I'm just say go to wallet, and by default it goes to our Prism wallet address. Okay, so I'll just click go to wallet, and as it loads, okay, yeah, so it just loaded. As you can see, we have some 13 prisms that is there. All right, so for the people on phone, this is how it will look like. If you're on your web browser on phone, this is how your interface will look like. So what we shall do, we shall click on deposit. Now deposit is where we shall find our wallet details which we need when we are going to be receiving money. So let's click on deposit. So this information that we see here, which is the address and the public key. So this is the information that is very important when you want to receive money. So let's say you are out there and you want to send me money. I would definitely give you my Prism address, which is this, and then I'll also give you my public key, which is this. So I would send you both of these if you want to send me some Prism coins. So this is in Sigen wallet. So for the Sigen users, whenever you want someone to send you money on your Sigen, you open your Sigen, you log in, then you click on wallet, you come to here, you click on deposit Prism, and then you copy these details. You copy in the Prism address, and then you copy the public key and send to them. All right. So now let's get to it. So for those who opened their Roy Club accounts using their Sigen accounts, this Prism address, this is your login. or this is like your password to the Roy Club site. So when we go on Roy Club, you see when we click on login, now this field that comes in, it says enter your Prism address. So the Prism address that you enter here is the one of Sigen, which is definitely this, which we have already copied. Okay, so that is how you log in. Okay, so we are going to log into our Roy Club account, and then we are going to see how we can monitor our account. Sign in. Okay, you can see it signing in, sign in. Voila. Okay, so now we are logged in to our Roy Club account. Let us allow it to full load. Yeah, just fully loaded. So as you can see, as you scroll down, you see the Roy rate, the rate of the Roy, the rate of the Prism. So continue, sit down. Then now, so when you want to log out, you can easily log out from here. Then now we can see this is our investment wallet of our Roy Club account. And as we can see now, we have a total of 313 prisms in in our Roy Club account, and still growing. Okay, so this is definitely our address. Okay, this is obviously the address from our Prism, from our Sigen account. Okay, this is the one that we use for logging in. So guys, this is how you can monitor, and there are different tabs below here. If you want to check the referrals you have, you click on this. You can see the number of referrals that you have. You can click on if you gifts, if someone has sent you a gift, you'll be able to see it from here. And so many for the bonuses, you can be able to see the bonuses from this tab, and so many other things. So guys, that is it. This is how you can log into your Roy Club account and monitor your progress and growth of your Prism coins using your Sigen account. Okay, so otherwise guys, this video has been brought to you courtesy of Roy Club, and this is Simon Snipes, your presenter today. And I just want to say Roy Club is awesome. Roy Club is great. Roy Club provides a passive income for you and for your family and for those around you. Otherwise, wish you all the best. May you stay blessed and have a nice evening. God bless you.